A house is more than just a building. Its exterior is a statement of style and personality. In 2026, exterior paint trends bring warm, natural, and character-rich tones. From elegant neutrals to calming earthy greens, here are the 10 most popular exterior colors of 2026 that can transform your home into something more captivating and refined. Don't miss it, because one of these colors could be the best choice for your home next year. Number 1. Melodious Ivory by Dutch Boy Paints. Melodious Ivory is more than just beige. It's a soft symphony of warmth that transforms your home into a place that feels safe, calm, and welcoming. Imagine the gentle glow of sunlight filtering through sheer curtains in the late afternoon. That's the mood this color evokes. What makes Melodious Ivory so special is its ability to adapt. On a bright, sunny day, it reflects light beautifully, making a house look open and inviting. During cloudy afternoons or under soft evening lights, it develops a richer depth that feels cozy and serene. Homeowners who choose this shade often say it makes their property feel put together, elegant, but not overdone. It's the perfect choice for those who want timeless curb appeal that stays beautiful season after season. Number 2. Hidden Gem by Behr Paints. Hidden Gem is for those who appreciate subtle beauty, the kind that reveals itself slowly, like a secret worth keeping. Its smoky jade tone feels luxurious yet understated, mixing hints of blue, green, and gray in just the right proportions. This is a color that shifts with the light. In the morning, it feels fresh and cool, almost like mist over a garden pond. By evening, it deepens into a more dramatic, sophisticated tone, giving your home a sense of quiet power. Designers favor Hidden Gem for its ability to feel both modern and timeless, perfect for homeowners who want to stand out without being flashy. Number 3. Cypress Garden by Dutch Boy Paints. Cypress Garden feels like stepping into a quiet morning forest when the air is cool, the light is soft, and everything feels at peace. This natural, earthy green has a meditative quality that makes your home look like it's part of a living, breathing ecosystem. It's a color that works beautifully with nature's own palette: plants, stone pathways, wooden fences. More than just a paint color, Cypress Garden creates a sanctuary-like atmosphere, inviting you to slow down, relax, and enjoy your surroundings. When used on a home, it can give the impression that the house is gently cradled by its environment, blending into the greenery in a way that feels harmonious and intentional. Number 4. 10-Gallon Hat by Dutch Boy Paints. There's a warm, nostalgic poetry to 10-Gallon Hat. This golden beige color seems to capture the essence of endless horizons, open skies, and the golden glow of a sun setting over the countryside. It's the kind of color that makes a house feel like it's part of the landscape rather than just sitting on it. Whether surrounded by native grasses or lush greenery, 10-Gallon Hat creates a sense of permanence, as though the home has been standing proudly for years and will continue to do so for decades to come. This color tells a story of comfort and authenticity, making it a natural choice for anyone who wants their exterior to feel honest, warm, and rooted in tradition. Number 5. Rodeo Tan by Behr Paints. Sun-warmed and inviting, Rodeo Tan captures the essence of the American Southwest. Its earthy golden undertone gives a home strength and dignity, as if it's been shaped by years of sunlight and open-air living. This is a color that loves natural light. At midday, it's cheerful and bright. At sunset, it glows like the surrounding landscape, creating a magical, cohesive look that feels alive. Choosing Rodeo Tan is like choosing a color with a built-in history. It brings character and richness to even the simplest of structures. Number 6. Warm Eucalyptus by Valspar. There is something deeply soothing about warm eucalyptus. This soft green carries a sense of nostalgia, like rediscovering a favorite countryside path or a quiet garden bench. It feels timeless, as though it could have been painted on homes decades ago but still looks fresh today. Green is often associated with restoration, and this shade is no exception. It turns a home into a retreat, a place where you can escape, recharge, and reconnect with yourself. For those who crave a home that feels tranquil and rooted in nature, warm eucalyptus delivers exactly that feeling and color form. Number 7. Groundbreaking by Valspar. Deep, bold, and commanding, groundbreaking is the kind of color that makes a home impossible to ignore. This taupe brown is rich and grounded, lending a sense of strength and permanence to any exterior. Rather than feeling heavy, groundbreaking gives a house quiet confidence. It's a color that frames a home's architecture, highlighting its details while making it feel solid and enduring. 2026's love for dark neutrals is about more than aesthetics. It's about creating homes that feel safe, stable, and unshakable. Groundbreaking embodies that philosophy perfectly. Number 8. Coral Island by Sherwin-Williams. Coral Island is pure joy in a can. Its orange-red tone feels like the last moments of a tropical sunset, when the sky is awash in brilliant, glowing hues that make you stop and stare. This is a color that radiates warmth and positivity, transforming a house into a home full of life and personality. It's perfect for those who want their property to make a statement that says, "This is a happy place." Rather than being too bold, Coral Island strikes a perfect balance, lively and uplifting without overpowering the overall design. Number 9. French Canvas by Benjamin Moore. Elegant and refined, French canvas is the antidote to harsh, stark whites. Its subtle greenish-gray undertones add complexity and warmth, making it a nuanced choice that feels carefully considered. This is the kind of color that gives a home a sophisticated edge. It doesn't shout for attention, but quietly elevates the entire look of the exterior. French canvas is beloved by designers because it's light and airy while still having depth, a color that feels fresh, modern, and endlessly stylish. Number 10. Warm Mahogany by PPG Paints. For homeowners unafraid of making a bold statement, warm mahogany is a showstopper. Its deep, rich red is dramatic yet elegant, bringing an air of prestige to a home's exterior. It's a color that has history and gravitas, reminiscent of grand doors, fine woodwork, and stately architecture. Choosing warm mahogany is choosing a look that is both classic and unforgettable. At sunset, this color takes on a luxurious glow, almost as if the house itself is radiating warmth and pride. These are the 10 exterior color trends that may become the most popular in 2026. Though, of course, it all comes down to personal taste. Each color brings a different atmosphere that can transform your home into something more refined and captivating. Choose the shade that best reflects your style and personality, because a home is not just a place to live, it's a reflection of who you are. Don't forget to like and comment on which color you love most, or share your suggestions. Thank you.